Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to contact company on Indeed. So you have to open the Indeed app. You will open it. So there is find great places to work and you will find company name or job title. So I will exemplary write there Coke Canada. Is this the company of cold drink? So I will find company of this. So there is the red icon, you will see Coke Canada. So I will click it and you will see there is reviews and salaries, jobs and ask questions. So the reason is you have to contact the company. So you will have to click to ask questions and there you will type to the company contact number or official email number for that you have been contacted. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.